Hi, this is Chart Gal Lori bringing to you the Fab4 futures, and then we'll also be going over bonds. Let's start with RTY. RTY had a magnificent day, just amazing, up 7%. We hit limit up earlier this morning in pre-market, and when we hit a limit up, I like to place that level on my chart. As you can see, I have the 1317 marked here with this white line, horizontal line. I like to know how price responds when it gets to that line, so I leave that on my chart for a few days, and we'll see if this comes back into play, this 1317 level right around here. It'll be interesting to see if it does. Again, last week when we started our Fab4 futures videos, we were talking about this 50% retracement on RTY at 1331. Again, this is where we find price. Price just continues to play tag with this level, and it's something we really just need to keep that level on our charts. On the daily, we did not break this May 11th high of 1341.70. We got to 1338.20. This is a short opportunity in my opinion. It's a high risk short because you have a high risk of getting stopped out because you're going counter trend. We've had huge bullish moves. So right here, right now where RTY is, it could be a chance to top fish. I like to top fish when we go to a lower low and then just spike up and go test that former high. I really like those trading opportunities. Let's look at it on the hourly. Hourly RSI is very frothy. So just something to think about. It may be an opportunity to short. And then this 4-hour candle, we were just forming a bearish reversal candle. Looks like the bulls are pushing right now. But what I would do to enter this trade short is I would wait for the 2-minute candle, and we just lost it. So we lost the uptrend right here. We spiked down to 1329. So you could top fish this and possibly use this 1334.50 as your stop. Again, on the daily, RTY did not break this high. The other three did. So RTY was the leader of strength today and was unable to break that high. Yet all of the other three did break that high. Again, ES struggling with a 0.618 retracement still. That level's at 29.30. We're running smack into the 50 MA. We are attempting to clear this 26 EMA on the weekly. And on the daily, we broke that level from May 11th. We broke that 29.47 level decisively, and we did not break this level of 2965. So that is the level to break for bulls to get further continuation. On the 4-hour, we could have a possible bull flag. And on the hourly, the RSI is running frothy on ES as well. NASDAQ, what a move, what a bounce. Coming close to all-time highs. We're only 400 points away, which is just phenomenal. On the daily, we were able to break that May 12th high today. And we're at 93.61.50, which is the high of the move since our initial COVID-related dump. And finally, YM still kind of struggling with this 12 EMA, stuck at the 50% retracement area, just finding congestion. It was able to break this May 11th high, and it was unable to break the April 30th high. Again, coming from that lower low straight to a higher high. RSI is kind of running hot on the hourly. We're right near 80, so we'll see how far the bulls can get. If we had consolidation overnight, it would tend to be healthy at this point because we have room for higher lows on all sorts of time frames. For example, on YM, our last low, 23241, we have plenty of room for a higher low. So any incoming consolidation would be expected to be healthy. Then finally, ZB, bonds. Last week, we talked about this daily EQ. We mapped it all out, and then we zoom out. I'm looking at a very specific time frame. Bulls don't like this upper wick here. That is a bearish candle. On a bull flag, you don't want to see that. But we could have potential for a bull flag on bonds. Let's see if they can get it together. How would we know we have a bull flag? Because we're breaking these levels. We broke this 180.03 with 178.01. We're double bottoming right now. If we have a small break with no follow through, then that could indicate that this could be a potential bull flag. So just something to remember. So the level to watch on Let's do the fib retracement. On RTY is this 1331 level, and I'm also watching 1317, which was the limit up overnight. So I hope this helped you a little bit with just the visuals. Overall, bulls are loud, large, and in charge. So bearish entries should be very short-lived and with proper stop losses. Hope you have a good evening.